দেখো the displacement of a particle is directly proportional to the cube of the time covered. The acceleration is proportional to, there are 4 options. So by condition we get that is x equal x proportional to cube. Here x is the displacement and t is the time. So we get x equal to kt cube, k is constant. Differentiating respect to t, we get that is dx dt equal to ddt kt cube. So we get that is v equal to 3k t square. Again we differentiating respect to t, we get that is dv dt equal to 6kt. So this is the acceleration, that is a equal to 3kt. So we get that is a proportional t. So acceleration proportional, that is time. So we get the option number B. So this is the option number B. That is another problem. That is displacement of a particle at time t is x equal to a plus b t square minus ct cube. Find the acceleration of the particle. X is given, differentiating respect to t, we get that is in this format. So dx dt equal to ddt a plus b t square minus ct cube. So differentiating we get in this part, that is 0, here that is 2t, b into 2t, here that is c into 3t square. This is the velocity v, that is v equal to 2bt minus 3t square. Again differentiating respect to t, we get that is in this format. So f, that is acceleration, f equal to 2b minus 3c into 2t. So f equal to 2b minus 6ct. So acceleration of the particle is 2b minus 6ct unit. So this is the acceleration of the particle after calculation with the help of differentiation. So this is very important topic. Thank you.